Hey, hello. I am celebrating today, and it's a week-long celebration. I do this every year. I am still here for the journey and to help my clients. So if you're one of my clients, don't worry, I'm still here. But today I'm kicking off 1 week of fun. So what I did, I went to, it's called Trees. It's my favorite organic place, and I love cheesecake. I don't know how you feel about cheesecake, but they have pumpkin cheesecake, and I'm here for it. And if you're observing, you know, orange is my favorite color. October is my favorite month, and I will get to that in a minute. But first, I gotta try this because it's seasonal, of course. But oh my God, oh, so good. They have my other favorite one, which is maple walnut, but 'tis the season for pumpkin cheesecake. Do you like cheesecake? You know, my husband doesn't, so I'm eating it home without him because, you know, a girl's got to celebrate. So, what am I celebrating today? I have three things really that I want to really jump in on. First of all, building a business is not easy, right? If you've built a business, you know that it's not easy at all. And it is very fun. It is very rewarding. Um, And when we get to a certain milestone, it is so exciting. But getting there, that journey, if you'd have told me how I was going to get here to to be where I am in my life, I probably wouldn't have gone on the journey, to be honest. I'd have been like, nope, that is just too much. I am not going to do that. But also, I'm glad I did it now that I'm here. So whatever you're going through and whatever you're doing, I want you to know you can do it. So I have a lot of gratitude this week and every day I try to have gratitude. Um, I was watching another video. He calls it vitamin G, which is so vital to our health, mental and physical health. So what I want to celebrate is the people who have lifted me up when I felt like I couldn't go on, that have walked beside me, who have carried me through the tough times, who are always there. And I want to name everybody, but I know I'll miss out on a few because there are so many. But the first shout out is to my amazing, incredible husband, Troy Toma. He's a country music artist. If you like country music, look him up on Spotify. But he is like my rock. Um, he's really he gets me through the days when I just really feel like I can't go on. And yes, I have those days. So when you have those days, who is your rock? Who do you want to shout out to and thank and give gratitude to? My girl Varushka, she is my success companion. She is my online assistant. She's amazing. So thank you, Varushka, for all you've done. She's been with me for a couple of years. The list goes on. Gary Searle, Brett McFall, um, oh gosh, see, my mind's already gone blank. My sisters, all of my friends. Oh, Joanne, if you're watching this, I love you with all my heart. So thank you to everybody who's helped me get here. And cheers to you. Mm, mm. So that is my first celebration is I wanted to celebrate everybody who's gotten me here because it takes a village. We can't get to where we want to go alone. So if you're going it alone, you do need a tribe. You do need people that lift you up. Don't be afraid to ask for help and accept help because that's how you're going to get there. My second celebration, it's my birthday in a couple of days. So happy birthday to me. But that's not really why I'm here celebrating. What I really want to celebrate is my mentorship program. I opened up 2 spots the other day and they filled up within 2 days. So I know that you want one-on-one help. You want support. So I want to celebrate my birthday by gifting you guys 4 more spots. I've opened my calendar up, which means I'm going to be uber busy, but that's okay. If you want to have one-on-one help, which it seems like you do, then please reach out and say yes. Email me, DM me, comment below this video. I don't care. If you want help, if you know you need accountability, you need somebody to hold your feet to the fire, you know that you are stuck, you're in analysis paralysis, you're feeling overwhelmed, you need that help. Group coaching doesn't do it. I do group coaching. I do it because there are some people that want that. But if you don't, we need to talk. And if you feel like you can't afford it, you might be able to afford it. But we do have to talk. That's the only way we're going to step forward and you're going to get to the amazing life that you know you're here to live. So if you want mentorship, not if you can afford it, because you don't know that yet. If you want mentorship, let me know. Let's at least talk. At least let's talk. You got nothing to lose and everything to gain. So don't ask me in the comments how much it is. Don't DM me and ask me how much it is. We're not going to have that conversation until we get on a call. Okay? There's a very big chance, yes, you can afford it. So where 3 months from now, if I mentored you for 3 months, would you want to be? Like completely, honestly, and truly, where do you see yourself? If you started today doing the things you know you have to do, if the overwhelm and the over analyzing went away, where do you believe you could be in 3 months? Because you can get there. But Bob Proctor always said, your way's not working, you might as well try mine. So I'm going to pass that on to you. Time for more cheesecake. Oh my God. So good. And I haven't even had lunch yet. Maybe I won't. Oh, and it's 1:11. So thank you. Thank you. Blessed and grateful. The number three thing I'm celebrating is you, my followers, my friends, my constant companions, my fellow travelers. You have a dream and a goal. I want you to know you can get there. You are already enough. That future vision of you that you have, that is having that amazing life and living in that house, driving that car, all of those things, that's you. That's you. Sit with that for a moment. You are already enough. And if you need permission, I'm going to give it to you right here. Go be unapologetically yourself. Sit with yourself and ask yourself, who really am I? I tried for so long to be Bob Proctor. I'm like, that's never going to happen. I worked so hard at trying to be who I thought everybody wanted me to be. When I started being myself unapologetically, things happened. So live your life on your terms. Who are you? What do you want from your life? And go after it with all the passion in your heart, as if you couldn't fail, because you can't. The only way you can not be successful is to stop trying, and you'll never stop trying. So if you are here listening to my voice right now, I want you to comment down below that you will get there. I want to empower you to be amazing, to be a go-getter, and go after that dream in your heart. And if you want one of those 4 spots I mentioned, let me know. If you don't and it's not for you, that's okay too. But I really want you to succeed, whatever that looks like. Stay in touch. Let me know how it goes. Thank you so much for your time. And I'm going to go finish my cheesecake. I've actually already half done it. And let me know what's your favorite flavor. And I will talk to you again soon. Bye for now.